Hey guys, it's Billy's RC here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Atom Sv-1 .21 Nitro engine. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the Atom Sv-1 .21 Nitro racing motor. So for any of you guys who don't know really much about these engines, and these are honestly some pretty underrated engines actually. They don't have as much popularity as I think they should. It's a really nice motor, to be honest. I've had experience with it. I've had one for about 3 months. I've run many gallons through it, and to be honest with you, it runs great. It hasn't had any issues. I've only blown like a couple of gaskets in the carburetor, but that was really nothing, to be honest. But let's actually get into the box now. Time to get this thing open. So slid off quite easily. So here it is, guys. I think the brand that makes these things are called Weeken or something, like Weiken. I don't know. It's like some Japanese name. Getting this thing actually open, we got a foam little pad right here, and we also have a set of decals which I'm actually going to be putting on later on my Nitro buggy. So that'll be pretty nice. So, oh, still in the shot. Okay, bring over here. So there it is, guys. Here it is. This is the Atom Sv-1 .21 Nitro motor. So already you can tell a couple things about this motor that separates it from a lot of the Nitro motors that we have now. For one thing, it's cheap in price, particularly, and it's also like very well made for like what you pay for. So, and what I mean by that is the quality of the motor is actually very high. This thing, I was actually quite surprised of how well this thing was built out of the box, because it's truly, honestly, one of the best, cheapest motors I've seen. Because usually whenever you buy a motor for this price, you usually get something really crappy, like a Dynamite or like something, something like that. And the reason why I like these motors so much is because they're so cheap, and also they give like really high, you get like a lot of RPMs out of this thing, and a lot of performance, like very good performance, and just really nice motor overall. But one thing that really does separate this from the whole thing is that this is actually, I mean, not only is it cheap, it's comparable, well, it's been compared to some really high dollar engines like the OS version 2 or something like that. I can't remember exactly what it was, but they make these things good, and I don't have any running footage of the actual engine yet, but this one in particular I am going to be keeping brand new for at least a while, until something happens to like my Truggy engine, or in case the one on my buggy just so happens to go out or something like that. But even then, even if I do break something, they do sell spare parts for this thing, which is honestly pretty nice. It's not a whole lot of parts support, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I honestly, if you're looking for a .21 motor or a good Nitro motor for a cheap price, I think this is the way to go. The Atom Sv-1 engines, because they are good. They are built to win. They are built to race. Pretty much every other racing motor, but just in a cheaper, just cheaper. So I'm gonna put that on later. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.